A warm greetings to all. This is Yashvantra studying in Brainobots. So today I'm going to do a circuit which is 7-segment LED display. I will teach you this in practical as well as in Tinkercad in computer. Before we get started with the circuit, let's see some important points. So this is 7-segment LED display picture. So this 7-segment LED display is of anode type. So if in coding we are going to give, usually we give low for off and high for on. But as this is anode type, we have to give low for on and high for off. So but in practical we can give it as usual, like low for off and high for on. So this 7-segment LED display figure. Here comes A, here B, here C, D, E, F and here G. This is 7-segment, this is the dot point. This is used for decimals. And yeah, this is the common anode. As I told, this is anode type, so this is common anode both sides. This is here dot point comes, here A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, now let's see this circuit to make it in Tinkercad. So I've done the circuit already. Now let me explain you. As I told, here is common anode. I've connected the resistor to the positive term of the breadboard and to the 7-segment LED display. Here there are two common anodes. One, the below common anode I've connected the resistor, but the above one I've not connected anything. As in Tinkercad I don't connect, but in practical we need to connect the G and D. And here connected all the these are connections. I'll teach you when it is in practical. Now let's go for the coding. First I'm displaying number 1. As I told, this is common anode. Here I've given high for, this is high means I'm going to off this. Low means I'm owning this. The same we have done for displaying number 1 and 2. Let me see. Let's check this circuit works or not. I'm displaying number 1, and yeah, after 5 seconds it turns to 2. Yes. Here I've placed 5 seconds wait block also, because after 1 is displayed, after 5 seconds 2 displays. So the same circuit we are going to do it in practical. This is breadboard, this is arduino board and this USB cable. I connect this to the laptop and I'll copy paste the coding. And this is 7-segment LED display. Resistor, this is of 330 ohms and some wires. So let's get started. First I'm placing this here and then the resistor. Here I told you this port, here this is the common anode, here also common anode. So I'm placing this here and then I'm going to in the common anode place I'm placing this resistor. And I'm placing this in the positive row of the breadboard. You can see this is positive row. From that positive row, I'm connecting a wire and I'm placing it in the arduino board. VIN, GND, GND, 5 volt. Yes, I'm placing this to. I'm connecting to 5 volt. Then next, here the same way, the above area, there is another common anode. In the Tinkercad, I didn't fix this common anode to GND, but in practical, I have to fix this. Yes. Okay. Now let's do the connections for all the other ones. So here, this is A. I'm connecting to 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. No. 2. A is connected to 2. B is connected to 3. B I'm connecting to 3. Then this is DP, I'll connect it lastly. Now I'm connecting C. C is connected to 4. And then D is connected to 5. E is connected to 5. And E is connected to 6. And then yeah, F is connected to 7. And then G is connected to 8. Then lastly we are coming to DP, that I am connecting to 9. The last point. After 8 I am connecting it to 9. Okay. Now our circuit is ready. Let me just connect. Now I just connected this to laptop, the USB cable. Then now my circuit works. It's just starting with 1. Then after 5 seconds it will turn to 2. 1. Then 2. So I just copy pasted the text from Tinkercad and pasted it in the Arduino application and uploaded. So my circuit works. Thank you. Bye.